I'm working at my desk when my boss walks over with this huge grin. Hey, I need you to train the new guy. He starts Monday. I look up for my code. Sure, what's his background? She hands me his resume and my stomach drops. It's Tyler, my high school bully, the guy who made my life hell for 4 straight years. I remember everything. The shoves in the hallway, the lunch trays knocked out of my hands, the constant mockery about my clothes, my grades, my everything. Senior year, he convinced half the school I'd cheated on the SATs. I hadn't. I just studied while he partied. Now his resume is sitting on my desk, claiming he's a full-stack developer with 5 years of experience. Monday comes and he walks in wearing an expensive suit. Takes him about 5 seconds to recognize me. His face goes white. Oh, hey man, didn't know you worked here. I just smile. Yeah, been here 6 years. Senior developer now. Guess I'll be showing you the ropes. His handshake is weak, nervous. First day, I'm completely professional. I show him our systems, explain our processes, introduce him around. He's charming with everyone else, cracking jokes, playing up his confidence. But I notice something. Every time I explain something technical, he's lost. He's nodding, taking notes, but his eyes are glazed over. When I ask him to write a simple function, he stares at the screen for 20 minutes. By day 3, I realize he lied on his resume. Massively. He doesn't know half the programming languages he claimed, can barely write basic code. The 5 years of experience is probably one community college course and some YouTube tutorials. I start documenting everything. Not to bury him, just doing my job as his trainer. Week 2, he starts missing deadlines. Simple tasks that should take hours are taking him days. He's staying late, but I can see he's just Googling basic concepts. My boss asks me for a progress report. I tell her the truth. He's struggling with fundamentals, might need more training time. She frowns. We needed someone ready to contribute immediately. We've got the Morrison project launching next month. I try different teaching approaches. Maybe I'm not explaining things clearly. I send him tutorial links, pair program with him, break tasks into smaller pieces. Nothing works. He's in over his head, and we both know it. The other developers start noticing too, asking me why the new guy isn't pulling his weight. Week 3, he pulls me aside in the break room. His confidence is gone. He looks exhausted. Look, I know I wasn't great to you in high school. I'm really sorry about all that. Can you maybe help me out here? I really need this job. My wife just had a baby. I look at him for a long moment. Part of me wants to feel satisfied watching him squirm, but mostly I just feel tired. I have been helping you. I've been giving you accurate progress reports and honest feedback. That's my job. He tries a different approach. Starts bringing me coffee, laughing extra hard at my jokes in meetings, asking about my weekend. It's pathetic. Watching him try to manipulate his way out of incompetence the same way he manipulated his way through high school. But this isn't high school. This is the real world, and here, results matter. The Morrison project deadline approaches. My boss assigns him one small component, something simple that shouldn't take more than a day. 3 days later, he hasn't finished. The code he's written doesn't compile. I have to stay late fixing it myself to keep us on schedule. I document this too, not with satisfaction, just facts. Friday afternoon, week 4. HR calls him in. I watch through the glass conference room as they hand him papers. His face crumbles. He's arguing, gesturing, probably making excuses. It doesn't matter. He walks out 10 minutes later, box in hand, passes my desk without looking at me. Everyone else pretends to work while stealing glances. My boss stops by an hour later. Thanks for your thorough documentation and honest assessments. Really helped us make the right call. She pauses. Also, HR did some checking after he got defensive in there. Turns out he faked most of his resume. Previous job title, certifications, even his degree. We're reporting him to the industry board for credential fraud. She shakes her head. His career in tech is basically over. I turn back to my screen.